Welcome back to Lives. Here we are looking at the CountIf function. Please make sure you watch part 1 of the CountIf function so that you know its meaning, how to use it, what does it produce, when to use it. Right. From the previous tutorial, we talked about this example, that one, and now we are talking about that one. So if you want to know where we got these answers, make sure you watch part 1 of CountIf function. If you have missed part 1, please subscribe so that you don't miss any other video that is going to come. Right, let's look at this example. CountIf. What are we actually saying? Let me read this sentence in other words. We are saying count the number of oranges, which is in A3. Count the number of oranges in the range A2 up to A5, yes. And the number of oranges is 1. We put a 1 there, we hold a 1. Add that 1 to the number of apples in the range A2 to A5. So the number of apples is 1, 2. So we add 2 plus the 1 that we held previously. That 2 plus 1, we get a 3. That's why here we are saying number of cells with oranges and apples in first column above, which is this one. This is the first column. Right. The next example is saying CountIf. CountIf. What are we saying? Count the number of values that are greater than 55 in the range B2 up to B5. B2 up to B5. The values that are greater than 55. We do have 86 now, 1, 75, 2, and these two are not greater than 55. So the answer is true. Let's go to the next example. CountIf. Here, what are we counting? We are counting the number of cells with a value not equal to 75. Since we know the meaning of this operator, we now know the meaning of this operator. So we are saying count the number of cells with the values that are not equal to the value that is found in cell B4. Get me correct. What we are saying is, we are saying count the number of values that are not equal to the value in B4. This ampersand is just pointing to the address or the reference B4, cell reference B4. So we are saying the value in B4 is what? B4, 75, right? So the values that are not equal to 75 are 1, 2, 3. So our answer must be 3. Number of cells with a value not equal to 75 in this range. That's it. We are done with this example. Let's go to the last one. Count the number of values that are greater or equal to 32. 32 is equal to 32, so we count it as 1. Those that are greater than 32, that one, and that one, and that one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we subtract. We subtracted the number of values that are greater than 85 in this range. The number of values that are greater than 85 is just 1. So we say 4 subtract 1. 4 minus 1, we get a 3. That's it. We are done with the CountIf function. Yes. If you want to know the syntax, make sure you watch part 1 of CountIf. Make sure you watch it, listen carefully, apply it, practice, as we all know that practice makes you perfect. Right, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't lose some new videos that are coming up, new technologies that are coming up. Make sure you are up to date, or up to minute, if possible up to second, or up to mini second. Thank you very much. Enjoy your time.